Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sanobar, your gate architecture mentor at Safal together. We all study hard for months, but during the 3 hours gate exam, many students struggle to manage time. And that's where even good preparation fails. In this video, I'll share a smart time management strategy designed specially for gate architecture and planning, so you can finish your paper confidently and maximize score. Understand the time limit. The GATE exam is 3 hour long, 180 minutes, and you will face 65 questions worth 100 marks. That means on average you have less than 3 minutes per question, but some take seconds, other minutes. So time management is not about speed, it's about strategy. Understanding the paper structure. Knowing about the paper structure. The GATE architecture paper is divided into three parts: general aptitude, which includes 10 questions of 15 marks; part A, common section, of 39 questions of 55 marks; part B1 or B2, which is of architecture or planning, of 16 questions, which contains 30 marks. Your goal is to balance time between conceptual question and numericals and match the followings. Your ideal time allocation blueprints. Here you can see section part A, minutes 90, which contains 90%. Then section B, part B, 55 minutes. Review for 15 minutes. And aptitude for 20 minutes. The three-level question strategy. Level 1, easy question. Action attempt immediately. Solve confidently within 1 to 2 minutes. These build your score foundation and boost morally early in the exam. Level 2, medium questions will include which should require 3 or 4 minutes of thoughts. Attempt if time permits, but don't get stuck and return during review phase. Tough questions, skip strategically. Time sinks with uncertain outcome. Negative marking makes blind guessing risky. Move on, preserve and mental energy for winnable points. Time practice your secret weapon. Why mock tests matter? Taking 10 full length mock tests under exact exam condition transform your preparation from theoretical to battle ready. Build stamina for 3 hour concentration. Train your brain to recognize question patterns. Identifies your weak section before exam day. Create muscle memory for time allocation. Reduce anxiety through familiarity. Top scores don't just practice more, they practice smarter with discipline simulation. Smart exam day hack. Ready for keywords? Scan question for terms like not, except, or always. Missing these cost easy marks. Organize rough work. Divide your scribble pad into section. Neat rough work prevent calculation errors during review. Check the clock. Set mental checkpoint: 60-minute aptitude, 150-minute part A complete, 165-minute start review. Gate architecture has negative marking unless you can eliminate 2 plus option. Leaving blank is often wiser than random guessing. Plan, practice, perform. Master the time division blueprint. Apply the three-level question filter. Complete 10 full-time mocks. Execute smart exam day tactics. So, to sum it up, divide your time smartly, attempt in order of confidence, practice mock tests under real condition, and stay calm under pressure. If you want to master both the content and strategy for Gate Architecture 2026, join me in Suffer Together Warrior Batch, where we train with real mock papers, time-based tests, and live doubt sessions. This is Sanubar signing off. Manage time, manage success.